is the first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button and turn the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So on today's design, this is what we'll be creating. This is it. I want to do something here. I will just unlock some of these things, then teach you how I arranged these pictures like this, then we'll start the text. So this is it now. I'll just close these things here. I'll start from this anniversary, close them, then okay, let me close this picture too. Okay, so I'll hide everything. I will hide everything. Okay. It's okay now. This is just the background. I came over to this place now and I changed this hue. That's it. So that's it for now. So the next thing is to start bringing the pictures one after the other. This video will take time. It will take time. First of all, let's bring in this one. Keep it here. Then we bring another one. It will take time, so I want to calm down and teach so that you understand it. Bring in another one. Yeah, here we go. Then we'll bring another one too. Bring this one. Then bring the last one here. Okay, so all we do now is we will start setting these pictures the way it's supposed to be. First of all, this one should come here. This lady should come here. Okay, let's crop this lady's picture just this way. Then keep it here. This one should come down here and this way. Then we'll crop this picture just to get this one. Keep this one here. Once we finish arranging it, we'll start blending. So this is cool now. This is cool. This is okay. So now I will lock these pictures. Okay, like I want to merge them together. We click OK. Once you click OK now, the whole thing will just mesh together so that we'll start the job proper. So this is it here, and let's erase this now. Once you want to blend your pictures to the background, just like I taught you before, just increase this one and start cleaning. Start the cleaning just this way. let's see what we'll get. Click OK. This is okay, it's still remaining. Let's clean the down part here. This is okay. Oh, we still need to work on this. Increase this one and this one. Okay, so this is cool now. You see what we've got. Then come to relative position and click on center. Increase it a little bit. Click on center also. So this is cool now. We've gotten the picture now. So we'll start unlocking. First of all, start with the anniversary and celebration. So this anniversary. Let me show you how I got the color. The color is a mixture of, it's a gradient color. We mixed the color to get it. This is how the thing is. Click OK. Click OK. So this is cool. Then bring this one down. Keep this here. Then this celebration, we'll change this. We don't want to use this texture again. Let's put it to this normal color. It's okay like this. This is cool. So the next thing now is to start unlocking this. There is nothing much here. So once I finish unlocking this thing now, I will tell you. Okay, there is something I want to unlock also here. There is another thing I want to unlock. Okay, so this is okay. So this is okay now. So it's remaining one thing now. We want to unlock something. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. This thing now. This is just a shape I created. I merged the two together. So I just want to do this thing because I don't want the video to be long. If I start doing this thing from flash, it will take much time. So this is okay now. Then this one, click on center. This is cool. So this is how I got the design. See, everything is perfect and cool. So this is okay. Thank you so much for watching. And I believe if you have any question, just drop the question on the comment section. I will attend to it. Thank you so much and see you next time in my next video.